Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to change language on RedNote, your phone. Alright, first open App Store and click on search and write RedNote. Okay, and open and this install RedNote. Alright, and this finish install and back and click on settings and scroll down and search RedNote. Click on this and click on this and select your language and click on back, close and open RedNote, check. Okay, this English and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me.